Guys, today's recipe is vegan mushroom rice. I have already prepared the ingredients. I have taken half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 big potato cut into small pieces, 1 big chopped onion, peas, sliced mushrooms, finely chopped cilantro and ginger, rice washed and soaked till 30 minutes, olive oil, put the pot on the flame, add oil, add cumin seeds, add onion and ginger, add potatoes, and mushrooms, add turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Stir it properly and cover the lid. After 2 minutes, stir it well. Add peas, salt, and rice as well. Stir it well. Add black pepper powder, chopped cilantro, mix it well. Two cups of water, Cover the lid. Keep the flame high to medium and cook till the rice softens. It will take about 20 minutes. It's done. Now garnish with chopped cilantro. Now the vegan special mushroom rice is ready to eat. If you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to get new videos. Thank you.